Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are at Mas Nevi visiting and bringing him some things. Mas Nevi?
Good morning, ma'am.
Me think of you there bush a chop. Morning.
I ain't a dark, sir.
Oh, you alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Dark. In there now.
We're just gonna do one quick check on you.
Yes, ma'am.
So how things?
We do a medicine course so that we can say that we'll give the money for come and never get it.
Never promise you. We say we'll just see how it go, but it never work out. So how you get to go? Hold on them on Nevi.
Yes, Mr. We get it borrow still.
You get it for borrow?
Yes, ma'am. I tell me say, the shop woman say $10,000 me owe him.
Yes, that she tell we and we check it and that in there.
Oh, if it just food at $10,000, I'm not about it.
So me I say, because remember when me come every time me I ask you how much you owe, but you say you don't know.
So this is still my sister.
At 10,600 everything come to Mas Nevi.
Tell you.
Because I was wondering, because remember we always been bringing you a lot of food, so we were saying that we never know, so you take that amount, you know?
You know, miss people. You don't know. So when I say my sister, so when I tell my sister, then just not buy it just now. Tell them.
So, but you don't run out of food though?
No.
Oh, okay. So we bring you some food here, because we get barrels, so we bring you some food so you can top up rice and oil and all of that, so you can top up what you have.
Yeah.
So you not go up on your farm in a hot summer sun, yeah?
Never.
You not do nothing on the farm in a hot sun?
Oh, it turned too hot at the time.
Oh, you not go down there, you not go check on your cane and so?
You go down there with you. I still have one somebody there work and then just go there and chop out the cane.
Oh, me hear some chopping over there. I thought it was you.
I try and move the market up here, so.
The cane?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we have put it. Oh,
yeah.
See, put some over here, so.
As you know, see me cane over this come up. As me as on top there. I move them from down here.
Okay. So then closer to you.
Yeah, I can what I said over there, so.
You plant peas there too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I say.
And you put one yam there, sir?
2 hill yam up there, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, move it farm, come up more.
Yes, ma'am.
What you say?
True them I say, I say for him son buy down or something, you know, for the line there, you know.
Oh, so you know want to go up on somebody's property?
No.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
And you have whole heap of ackee in Mas Nevi. You even know? The tree loaded.
If you look, what you know I start up with?
It's a lot of ackee, man.
A tree beer, you know, people are passing that talk with beer.
Yeah.
You say, yeah, okay, you let them pick ackee.
But there's so much at the low down part.
Yes.
Nice. If you could have get some for yourself, you get some money. Not true.
I tell you what, I post people used to come by the.
It's just that people don't know that maybe you have your own here.
Yes, man. People used to come by before they open, you know.
Then buy before you open?
Yes, man.
And then what?
They buy unopened ackee.
Oh, and just put it down and then it open?
You know,
factory.
factory. And if it, I like that, you know. So you see that, you know, I'm going to see it, and I just buy what you want tree.
Yeah.
And pick off it.
But you know, I know ackee factory close by. The one I know is in Clarendon, far.
But they used to come by it.
A place that they brace river they have.
They have one there sorting. They have one in Tweedside, Clarendon, somewhere down there.
They used to come. They used to come by it.
Yeah.
So I go on.
Not much, me boss. Me are cool.
Yeah, cool.
Glad we soon, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, man. At all time, no come, glad we soon.
Yeah. Me know you not look for see in a hot sun today though.
No, me not look. I want to tell you something, I look to see you, say, till all next month.
Yeah.
That's how long we take for come and come up here?
Yeah, sometimes you take out 2 weeks and you know. 3 weeks too, you know.
But remember summer, so
Yes.
you know,
Yeah, man.
school out.
home
Yeah. So we have a little more time on our hand right now.
Yes, man.
Yeah, still busy, but you know.
No, not like first time 5 children and I got school and everything.
Yeah.
Glad, man.
Yeah. So you eat breakfast this morning and stuff.
You know, say I cook me
You cook?
somebody came on breadfruit come me from Tuesday and to me I go a doctor Tuesday me couldn't cook it.
Right.
And breadfruit we spoil and me have to cook it last night.
Oh.
And we cook it last night now me fry some this morning.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Think you that take you make porridge?
The breadfruit.
Yeah.
I roast. Me no know we make porridge, but me know. Say every rice we good when you roast it nice.
That new to your master, Nevi. You don't know about breadfruit porridge.
Eat it up.
Yes, but me no know about the porridge, but me know say if you roast it. If you roast it when it ripe, man, it's nice.
I make juice.
Me not think.
When you ripe, you can make juice with it.
I see people that make mango juice. Me don't like mango juice now, you know. One juice me like when I guava juice.
Oh, you like guava
Yes,
juice?
man, but mango juice and orange juice. Guava juice I want good juice.
Yes.
And I said, and they said, they said apple juice good too.
Okay.
The 2 juice there. Yeah.
Yep. Angel passing through, right? Angel passing through. Everybody quiet.
Yes, the angel pass through.
It's a big farm over there now. Them clean up a big piece of it.
The lady, Miss Babe. The one of the place I want farm over there, Miss Babe. The place gone way back.
Oh, okay.
We gone back way back to Rose.
Over where bamboo there, where they match up bamboo are.
A whole of the here, man. Whole of them. And if I see one place they have bamboo like here. If you get money, if you have bamboo cut here, when it cut here. And bamboo there, you know?
Yeah.
How much for it?
Around 8,100.
100. Oh.
That's saving.
You know what go and do, Mas Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
You stay current.
Current?
But say you know what go on because you know say the bamboo is 8,100.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
man.
so what the doctor say, Mas Nevi?
Oh, well, they give me sure. Yeah, look for them. They not this. And the medication when they say if you come back and how me intend that they done. If you come back.
Or then give you 2 eye drops.
They say me get it free of cost, but when time me done.
Oh, okay.
So me have to go back. Me with it on the paper there. 2 months time.
That's good.
For eye jobs.
Okay.
So you drop yourself?
Yes, sir. They must say I'm in nerves, you know, because I did get a look over my eye, you know. So I'm in nerves cause it. Why doctor, he tell me say it will affect me too.
Okay. So when are the next appointment?
It depends on the paper, you know.
Yeah,
So
which one
paper
are
in there, you
they?
know.
I see them, but enough. This is a prescription. This is
I see.
receipt. And in the then.
Put on the back. Something like this.
This one here. Okay. 10 second. No sign date of birth, don't they?
Must depend on the that for you that have one.
Okay, maybe she have that
But
one.
she have it, must have a date on it. Yes, I have a date on the one. That's at the card. So I think must put it on.
She have the card.
Yes, ma'am. So
Here.
I did it.
So in terms of your eye mask, Nevi, it's just treat them when you have the appointment. Then just give you the eye drops on
Yes,
to
ma'am.
treat it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Just treat them or treat it.
So they said they can't do nothing in terms of sight.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Oh, so you still a little bit?
Yes, ma'am. So little.
Okay.
I mean, you know what about I'll want to get an injection of the eye.
Next way, over this side.
So injection of the eye.
Injection in your eye.
Yeah, you know what I call it too.
Oh.
Nobody just can have nothing.
What I mean, you know what I say, man, attack when you get it in eye bleed. After me, I know hurt me no good dark, you know.
Well, it's only dark, so you see figures.
Very dark, but so you see, I've been set up. Sometimes we don't see nothing. But when it's sun shine now, you know.
Yeah. Like now.
Yes, ma'am. See anything, but I can't talk. Might be me have money still. I get a good eye doctor, you know, but it what everything I cost, you know. Everything a money business.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Watch and pray and beg God to help me. God can get healing.
Alright, Mas Nevi. The sun gone, you know, Marcel.
Perfect time to go back down here.
Thing hot, is it? Thing hot.
Yeah. Alright, Mas Nevi, so we're gonna leave you. We'll pack out your groceries for you.
Put in the box here. Put that one.
Oh.
Nice.
The pan full. But
Yes,
in
ma'am.
it,
Yes, ma'am. Put that this one.
but also there's something in this, Mas Nevi.
We'll buckle. I'll go back in and we'll put some back in there.
And socks.
Yes, ma'am.
Socks in there, no?
Yes, ma'am. Them clean.
They clean?
I wash them out and put them in there.
Oh.
Everything in there good.
So what's in the bucket?
Now the bucket, you know, nothing there but it's not dirty too.
It's dirty.
Wash out.
Okay.
Pan it.
May I make Marcel pack up your fury? I think if you put it in the box though, Mas Nevi.
That they full up in the back.
What we need, maybe we could have check it and see what you have so we know
Take it.
what for. Now we know how you stay with food.
Mas Nevi, I tell you something, you see? You see oats?
Mm-hmm.
If you use up the oats,
Well, I think
the people will take, you know.
I don't have no milk.
You don't have milk?
I never get no milk.
Yes, man, we bring you milk.
Milk.
What are they? Milk. Mas Nevi, milk in there, no?
You have milk, man.
I have milk and there's milk.
Yes.
Milk here.
I never know size milk. I say,
Oh, and now they pull up one, two. If you did have one bottle, if you put it into.
You have to use it though, because we will take it.
Because you never know, say him not thinking of no milk.
Yeah.
So you use some out there already.
So don't put the milk where you're not going to know where.
Yeah.
You should have
Put it
keep.
right on the table, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
Yeah. I never know say milk. You should have to use some milk powder. Me look, you know.
Last guy you look for.
Yeah.
But you have formula or something.
You have the
Mas Nevi,
cooking.
you not use the oil.
No, me was me that.
The other one still there.
Me was me that. Yes, me have the other one.
You only have the next one now.
So
So.
One on this one?
Yes. So this man, no, me start me use that.
And we bring in more, you know.
Yes, man, that's not too much. You can't put on.
When I say always run out.
I mean, I go back and no shop. What's me? I go do nothing like this.
Yes. Donna said if we give you 2 bottles of oil because she always hear you say I run out.
Yes, ma'am, all the while.
So we bring you 2 more bottles.
Yes,
So.
man, thank you, man. Them know what I'm going. Put them in the box, party, man. Put them in the
Everything when we bring come?
Yes, sir.
In our box?
Put them in the box. Put them in the box, man.
Oh, bro.
Everything.
Alright.
Well, you put some rat pies in the chef in the box, Mas Nevi.
No, it's a hands border.
Whatever, you can't put it with
Give him, make him put it
A
somewhere.
hands border, you know.
Not put it with the food box.
If hands come in, you know.
Man, you got think of take out the think of seasoning and
No,
stuff.
man.
It's
Them,
a soup, you can't just hot up that and drink.
yes. Me know say hands border, man. Me buy them Why don't you from the army look so me a hands. And we go buy a hands powder. You see me buy a hands powder come back. Not a hands. Hands they go out. But we couldn't just see me little. And I say, what me I go do? And we go buy a hands powder and go back, you know, and we have to yam. Not a hands we don't see.
Yeah. We bring you a few sweets here.
No sweet here.
Yes,
No, but I eat off no holy for sweetie one time.
Okay, I got church. Me.
Yes.
Two drop on the floor.
Me remember you put it in a lap or somewhere there for now. What you do with them?
Right.
Man, and take them Mass Nevi.
You can put them, I'm going to find some.
Yeah.
Then I got church.
Okay. Mass Nevi.
I'll get Likkle picnic them at church tomorrow.
And two
Yes,
drop
man.
here, say no.
So when I have a clip picking people carrying go and give me two. Yes, I put them in this.
Me remember you say you like have sweets, so.
Yes, man. You must.
You kick over and soup on the floor. Well, we did there.
Say I'm moving now.
Yep.
What do you think? What do you think?
Oh.
Eh? What do you want? Eh?
No. What is it?
Say nothing.
Oh, what is it, man?
Empty plastic bag.
Maybe you could put the sweets in it if it's clean.
I'll put them in my pocket carry go to church.
Yeah. Thank you very much, man.
You are welcome, Mass Nevi. So we're going to leave you now, you know.
Yes.
We not take long to come back.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Alright, so want to say thanks to the
Thank you to
donor.
them, and God bless them. But
Yes.
they said, we say, remember me. And God will provide me get more and more every day.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so thank you everyone. Thank you for your continued
God
support.
bless them, man.
And may God continue to bless you richly.
Yes, ma'am.
So until next time, thank you so much for making it Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Respect, respect. Yeah.
Master, you want me to help you pull the sweetie?
You can bite the plastic in a mass Nevi and after you try tear it.
Let's try to forget. Soup, tin
Just
soup.
cut up and have it.
See here.
Yeah. After you add nothing to it.
Alright.
See it here, Master.
No, thank you, ma'am.
Get it on. You're right.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
He's a ladies gentleman.
No!
Are you a ladies gentleman?
Alright, Master Nevi.
Yeah, alright.